Yo guys, what's up? It's your boy named Yakov Carney and I'm back with a brand new video, and today we're going to talk about a topic and it's called AirPods Max by Apple. Now, why we're going to talk about that? Because I love Apple. I have Apple phone. I have a AirPods I used to own, maybe 13 AirPods I used to have, and I was thinking about getting AirPods Max and see how it looks like and how does it feel, and I'm very excited to make this video about it. But before I make the video, please make sure to subscribe to me and like my video, and I hope you guys really love this video and comment below when the video is finished, and let's back to the video. So today we're going to talk about the new Apple AirPods Max that just came out, I think in 2025, because they made two of them. They made one in 2020 and then another one in 2025. If I'm being sure about that, I'm not really sure, but I'll figure it out later about it. But I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do. We're going to unbox the new AirPod Max. So this is the box, and we're going to open it. And I'm going to tell you guys everything about it. I'm going to tell you about the price. I'm going to tell you the details about it. I'm going to show you how to use it. I'm also going to show you guys I'm going to show you guys some information that I learned from the YouTube video, because I like to go on my YouTube videos and learn about the new things in life and on the YouTube video. So I hope you guys like it. Enjoy me unboxing it. So all right, let's open it. All right, so what we gotta do. Oh my god, this is so cool. I'm so sorry for acting like this. It's so immature of me for doing that. All right, we got the books. Now, the new thing we're gonna do. So this is what we're gonna do. Bada bing, bada boom. Holy crap. God, look at this. This is freaking amazing. Oh my god, wait, I don't know if you guys can see that, but whoa, this is so cool. It's like something opening like a $1 million something, I don't know. But like, whoa! We actually got the new AirPods Max, and I'm excited. This is my first one ever owning this one. And actually, I wanted to get like a green one, but I don't even think they have a green one from Amazon. But I paid a lot of money on this. And I just want to say thank you so much for my hard work of getting this AirPods Max. And I'm going to tell you guys how much it actually cost. All right, I'm back. So basically, I just opened in front of you the new AirPods Max. And it says it right here. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's pretty cool. And I just want to say, I can't believe I even own this right now. This is freaking amazing. I don't know why people say it's so expensive. I'll tell you why it's expensive. Because I went to Amazon and I wanted to get it. And it cost me about $560 just to get this piece of thing over here. And I just want to say, it's pretty dope. And I think it's worth it to get it. And I just want to say that I'm excited for this. I'm excited to show you guys what's inside it. And I know you guys are excited to see it, but I gotta tell you all the details about it. And I just want to say, I heard that it's very heavy. I heard that it has good sounds, and I also heard that it's the most expensive AirPods Max ever. But I'm gonna open it, and I'm excited to open it. So let's open it. All right, I don't know if you guys can see that. Now you guys can see that. All right, the back. That was smooth. Come on, we got it. Holy crap. Look at this, guys. So what we got here right now is the AirPods. Well, what comes with it is a case. It also comes with a paper. That's annoying. Oh, sorry about that. So it comes with a case, and it's like a Matic. It's a Magic, but I like it. It's pretty cool, and I don't know how to use it. But this is the case that Apple give us, so that's pretty cool. And plus the case. Oh wow! So I thought this was the. I don't even know what this is. Guys, let me know in the comments what you think about this too. I don't even know what this is. Oh, I think it's oh, now I get it. Holy crap. It's cold. But look at this, guys. We got the left and we got the right. So I'm actually a right, not a left. But I want to see what it feels like. Oh my gosh. I can't even hear myself. if you guys are asking yourself why I'm talking so loud, it's because the headphone is like has a noise cancellation or something like that. But that's pretty cool. It does feel a little bit heavy, and it's very comfortable in the ears. I like it a lot. But say, if you guys didn't really enjoy this video and you had the best journey with me by opening it, how it looks like, and how I did it, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I just want to say, guys, if you guys don't know how to use it, I'm gonna make a short video how to do it. But I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in pretty soon. And I just want to say, let me know in the comments what you think about the color of the AirPods Max. Pretty nuts, pretty cool. I like it a lot, and I'm definitely gonna take care of it because it's expensive a lot. And I wanted to wish you guys happy day. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Share it to your friends. Please like the video. Please subscribe to me. And I'll see you guys pretty soon. And I love you all. And I'll see you guys pretty soon. Adios.